Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make hot roll. Okay, and the fried item also very famous in the fusion sushi. Let's make the hot roll. This is the nori I'm using in the side of lining side. Okay, we cannot use this side. Okay, let's make the hot roll. I'll leave one finger here. In the hot roll, in the it depends on your restaurants, it depends on your menu. You can, but I am using mango and pipin, cucumber. I'll put the salmons. Okay, let's put the salmons. Nice. I'm gonna roll it now. Now I'm gonna roll it. Okay, like this. Now I'll put a little bit of water here to close properly. It will close properly if I put the water here. And now I'm gonna turn. Yes, finally my roll is ready. Here I have the breadcrumb. This is the breadcrumb. The butter, okay, this is the flour butter, and this is special. It's called also tempura also. I'm putting in here because if you didn't put this ones, it cannot absorb the butter too much. First things, and another things, after doing the panar, it's panar means in putting in this breadcrumb, it will took lots of oil. You know, when you going to fry it, it will absorb lots of oil. That's why you have to put these ones. This is the very old traditional techniques to make the tempura. Okay, now I will put this in the butter here. Now here I just put here. It's called hot roll or fried roll. Finally our fried roll is ready. I'm gonna fry this ones. Okay, and I'll put the one different kinds of molio, which I already saw the video how to make hot roll molio. Okay, finally my hot roll is ready. Okay, I'm gonna cut in the 12 pieces. Okay, I make this like this. Now I'm gonna put the cream cheese. I have the cream cheese here and the strawberry. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut the teriyaki. Teriyaki means the soja, marine sake and the sugar mix and cook like 6 hours, 8 hours. We have to cook this ones. It's the teriyaki. Always this ones. This ones I already make about the video molio about this molio for a hot roll, molio for the hot roll. Let's use this one as a little bit. And finally I'll put the cibolino. Okay, this is how we can make deep fried sushi roll. It looks like very delicious and crunchy. It is very famous in fusion sushi also. Here I am using different kinds of the garnish. You can see the radish, small radish, red radish. It's called in Portuguese also rabonet, and I am using the butterfly of the carrot. And I hope after watching this video you will get knowledge about the deep fried sushi and crispy tempura recipe. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And stay safe, stay healthy, stay calm. Keep smile and keep support us. Thank you.